Hi, it's Keris here from rainydaymum.co.uk, and today we've got a really easy bake, some delicious apple and cinnamon cake that you and your kids can make, whether they're toddlers or teens. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade, that's about 400 Fahrenheit, and then we're going to line our cake pan. This is a 2-pound pan and I use cake liners. It makes it easier to wash up and the kids can put them in and do it all themselves. I've linked below to my favourite brand so that you can get them too. We're using cooking apples in this recipe, and this is one large apple. It's about 300 grams, so that's all you're going to need. So peel, core and chop it and put it aside for later. The full instructions for the whole recipe is down below, so click on the link and you can get your printable version. So let's get making some cinnamon sugar. Just soft brown sugar and some cinnamon, add it together, mix, and then again put aside till we need. You now want to cream together some unsalted butter and sugar until it's soft and creamy. It's much easier to do if you've got a stand mixer, but give your kids a hand so that they can mix it together by hand if necessary. We're adding 2 large eggs next. Don't worry, easy, just add them in. They may curdle as you mix with the butter and cream, but it's not critical for this recipe. One of the reasons this is so good to make with kids is that it's really forgiving at all stages. We're adding some vanilla extract, so add it in, mix it up, and then you're ready for the next phase. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification so you can get more fantastic fun ideas, activities, crafts and recipes for kids. Now it's time to add some flour. We've used plain flour, but all-purpose flour will work as well. Then you're going to add some baking powder in as well, and then mix it so that it comes together. The cake batter is going to be really quite thick, so we're going to add some semi-skimmed or whole fat milk and then mix it together so it's nice and creamy. You're going to take your cake tin and then add half of the cake batter to it, press in half of your apples and then sprinkle over your cinnamon sugar to cover it. Doesn't that just look so yummy? Okay, now repeat: cake batter, press the apples in, sprinkle over some more sugar, press it down firmly, and then you're ready to bake. Baking time will depend on your oven. We are about the 35-minute mark, but it can take 30 to 50 minutes. Test your cake with a skewer, it should come out clean. And then leave it to cool on the side until you're ready to slice and serve. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and stay tuned for more coming this autumn from rainydaymum.co.uk. See you soon. Bye.